The Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors, known as HonRICS, is the pinnacle of the quantity surveying profession. It opens the doors to the highest wages and roles. Through completing the Assessment of Professional Competence, or APC, you can become what HonRICS term an associate, which is the entry-level membership. By satisfying further obligations, you can become a fully chartered member. And by satisfying even further obligations, you can become a fellow. We have videos on HonRICS and HonRICS below in the description. A video on HonRICS will be developed in the future. But are there any other member grades? In this video, we will elaborate on the final member grade. But before we get into it, if you'd like more content like this, please be sure to click the like and subscribe button. It only takes 10 seconds, but it will make a huge difference to our videos and channel. This is one of the best ways to support us in creating new videos every single week. Okay, onto the video. There are 111,903 members listed on the HonRICS website, and they're split in the following ways. HonRICS, 6,559 or 5.9%. HonRICS, 89,788 or 80.1%. HonRICS, 15,447 or 13.8% HonRICS. And finally, HonRICS, 109 or 0.09%. As you can see by the numbers alone, the rarest and most unawarded grade is HonRICS. What is it though, and how can you get it? Simply put, HonRICS is an honorary member of HonRICS. This means you would not need to complete your APC or CPD diary, or even an interview. HonRICS simply gives you this title. Now, I can imagine you saying, this sounds great, maybe even too good to be true. How do I get this? And this is where I burst your bubble just a little. Honorary members of HonRICS can be awarded by HonRICS for their extraordinary achievements in one of the fields HonRICS dedicates to. The other option is to be royalty. Both King Charles and the late Duke of Edinburgh are honorary members of HonRICS, but we can't imagine they're putting HonRICS after their name on LinkedIn. So, to answer the question in the title, how rare is it and how do you get it? Firstly, it's extremely rare. And secondly, we suggest you achieve extraordinary achievements in your career. A good start is by keeping up to date with all the latest QS information by following us here. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.